Buenos dias, alumnos. It's Señora Pollon and Ruby. She came to learn a little bit of Spanish today. I wanted to start off with our frase de la semana, our new phrase of the week. This week it is Hoy hace sol. And here is a little hint. I drew a sun. It just means today it's sunny, which it is. It's beautiful and sunny out. And I hope you're getting a little bit of outdoor time these days because it's so beautiful outside. So let's say this together. Hoy hace sol. Let's try that again. Hoy hace sol. You notice the H when it's at the beginning of a word. In Spanish, it's silent. We don't say it. We just say hoy hace sol. All right? I hope you get some beautiful time outside after our Spanish lesson, but for now, let's get started. Buenos dias, my beautiful first graders. Today, we're going to be playing some games. We usually incorporate games into our Spanish lessons. Quite frequently we do that at school, and so we haven't been able to do that from home until today. I have found ways that we can play games with the vocabulary that we've learned. So you're going to have to print up the worksheets that I have sent home through your teacher, through Mrs. Marshall, and we're going to be gluing and cutting and playing a game of memoria or memory. So make sure you have your worksheets printed up, and then I also want you to have like maybe a colored pieces of paper that you can glue your worksheets to. So get at least 4 colored pieces of paper. You're gonna need a glue stick and scissors as well. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is glue all 4 pieces of paper, all of your worksheets, to some colored paper because you don't wanna be able to see it through the back when you flip it over. So we're going to, once you've printed out your worksheets, there should be 4 of them and they match. See, these are the same and these are the same. You're gonna glue them to some colored paper. After that, we're gonna cut each square out. So let's do that now. Okay, so by now you should have cut all of these pictures out, right? We have all our comida and our bebidas. We have 2 of each card cut out, right? That's the key. You need 2 of each card because we're gonna be making matches. Once they're all cut out, let's flip them over, okay? See, I did mine on yellow. You could do it on any colored paper, but it's important to glue it to that colored paper first because you don't want to be able to see through the back. And then we're gonna shuffle them up so we don't know where they are. Once you've shuffled them up, we're gonna lay them all out nicely. I might do 4 rows of 4. We'll see. Rows of 4 might work. I'm gonna put them all laid out nicely. And let's see, I might need to do 1 more row. Okay, yeah, rows of 4 works. So we're gonna do rows of 4. And now what you want to do is you want to challenge yourself to make matches, right? And remember where things are. So for example, you'll start off anywhere. You start at any card. I'm going to start here. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to say the word plátano. So I'm looking for the other plátano in this group. I don't know where they are now. I haven't turned many over yet, so anywhere is a good guess. Oh, papa. Make sure you say the word as you flip it over. Plátano, papa. Now I know that's where a plátano is and that's where a papa is, but I didn't make a match. So I turn them back over, right? Try again. Sandwich. Okay, I haven't seen a sandwich. I know it's not there or there because I saw what was there. Let's try here. Jugo. Okay, no match. Sandwich and jugo. Let's try another one. Jugo. Oh, I just saw jugo. Where was it? I think it was here. Jugo. I made a match. Ding, 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 ding. So I get to keep this. So you can play this game by yourself, or you can play it with one of your brothers or sisters, or you can play it with one of your parents. And anytime someone makes a match, they get to keep the cards of the match. And once they're all matched together, whoever has the most cards wins. Also, I've included a link in the description below, several links actually, to various Spanish memory games that include comida and bebidas that you can play online as well. So you can do the physical game that you create, and you can also play video games online that will help reinforce all that Spanish vocabulary for comida and bebidas. That's all you have to do this week. It's a fun week of games. I hope you have a wonderful time in the sun. Remember, hoy hace sol. And until next time, adios, ciao.